In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Google Meet emojis explode. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Meet. You can do this by entering your meeting link or by navigating to meet.google.com and joining the meeting you need. Once you are inside the meeting, make sure you are fully connected so the meeting controls appear on your screen. If you do not see the controls right away, move your mouse over the meeting window and they should fade in. Now focus on the bottom area of the Meet screen where the main set of buttons and options are located. This is where Google Meet keeps tools like reactions, activities, and other interactive features. You are going to click directly on the highlighted area shown in the guide. This click opens the section where the emoji reactions can be triggered. Next, click on the next highlighted area. This is another on-screen control related to reactions. In Google Meet, reactions are designed to create a quick visual response without interrupting the speaker. And when the feature is available, repeated clicks can create a more dramatic effect. Make sure you click the same control, not the chat or the microphone, so you stay in the reactions area. After that, click on the next highlighted area again. As you continue, you should see emoji reactions appear and build in intensity on screen. If your emojis are not showing, check that your meeting window is active and that your browser is not blocking animations. Keeping the Meet tab in the foreground helps the effect display smoothly. Then click on the highlighted area one more time. This repeated action is what drives the exploding effect, where multiple emoji reactions pop up in rapid succession and fill the screen with animated feedback. Finally, click on the last highlighted area to complete the sequence. At this point, the reactions should be firing quickly and visibly, creating that burst or explosion of emojis during the meeting. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.